Welcome to 6, Dene Terrace, a stunning luxury property nestled in the heart of County Durham. As we step inside this exceptional home, you'll be impressed by its elegant design and sophisticated features. Let me guide you through the property's highlights and explore the local area's attractions. As we enter the property, you'll notice the bright and airy reception room, flooded with natural light pouring in through the large windows. This spacious area is perfect for relaxing and socializing, and its high ceilings and large windows make it feel even more expansive. The room is tastefully decorated, with a neutral color scheme that provides a clean and modern backdrop for any furniture arrangement. Moving through the property, we find the beautifully appointed kitchen, equipped with high-quality appliances and ample storage space. The sleek, modern design and high-gloss finish create a truly premium feel, making meal preparation a pleasure. This kitchen is a true hub of the home, where family and friends can gather to share meals and make memories. As we ascend to the first floor, we discover 3 generously sized bedrooms, each with its own unique character and charm. The master bedroom boasts an impressive ensuite bathroom, complete with a double shower and high-end fixtures. This luxurious space is the perfect retreat after a long day, providing the ultimate in relaxation and rejuvenation. The second and third bedrooms are equally impressive, with plenty of natural light and ample storage space. The third bedroom is particularly special, with its own large window and private access to the outdoor space. This versatile room can be used as a home office, a reading nook, or even a guest room. Moving back downstairs, we find the second reception room, perfect for working from home or creating a cozy reading area. The room is well lit and has a comfortable feel, making it an ideal space for relaxation and leisure. Now, let's talk about the property's outdoor space. The beautifully manicured garden is a true gem, providing a peaceful oasis in the heart of the home. With plenty of room for outdoor entertaining, this space is perfect for alfresco dining, barbecues, and social gatherings. The garden also offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. But it's not just the property itself that's a highlight, the local area is also a major draw. The village of Shotton Colliery provides a range of amenities, from shops to bars and restaurants. And for those seeking a more urban experience, Peterlee Town Centre lies just to the east, offering a broader range of shopping and dining options. Durham City Centre is also within easy reach, providing a rich cultural and historical experience. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of this property is its accessibility. Seaham train station is nearby, making it easy to commute to nearby towns and cities. And with a network of bus services serving the surrounding areas, getting around is a breeze. As an investment opportunity, this property offers a wealth of potential. With its high-end finishes and luxury features, it's the perfect choice for those seeking a high-end rental income or a long-term investment. And with the local area's growing popularity, this property is poised to appreciate in value over time. But it's not just about the property itself, it's also about the lifestyle it offers. Imagine waking up each morning to the sound of birdsong, with the sun rising over the beautifully manicured garden. Envision spending your days exploring the local area, discovering hidden gems and making new friends. And picture yourself coming home to a warm and welcoming space, perfect for relaxing after a long day. This property is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle choice. It's a chance to experience the best of County Durham, with its stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant community. So why not take the first step towards a more luxurious lifestyle? Come and experience 6, Dene Terrace for yourself, and discover the magic of this exceptional property.